Hook, ever wondered if you can send money to or from your Monzo account using a traditional bank transfer? Well, let's dive in and find out. Building context. Monzo overview. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and innovative features. But when it comes to traditional banking methods like bank transfers, does Monzo hold its ground? Importance of bank transfers. Bank transfers are a cornerstone of modern finance, offering a secure and reliable way to move money between accounts. So, it's essential to know if your digital bank, like Monzo, can accommodate this traditional method. Addressing the main question. Monzo's stance on bank transfers. The short answer is yes, Monzo does accept bank transfers. Whether you want to send money to a friend, pay a bill, or receive a salary, you can use bank transfers with your Monzo account. How to make a bank transfer on Monzo. Making a bank transfer on Monzo is straightforward. You can typically do this through the app by navigating to the Transfers section, selecting Bank Transfer, entering the recipient's bank details and the amount you want to send, confirming the transfer. Incoming bank transfers. Receiving bank transfers on Monzo is also simple. When someone sends money to your Monzo account, you'll usually receive a notification and the funds will be added to your balance. Additional considerations. Bank transfer fees. While Monzo itself doesn't charge fees for bank transfers, your sending bank might. It's always a good idea to check with your bank for any applicable fees. Processing times. Bank transfer times can vary depending on the banks involved. Generally, domestic transfers are processed within a few hours, while international transfers may take longer. Security and safety. Monzo employs robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information. When making bank transfers, ensure you're using a secure internet connection and double-check the recipient's details. Advantages of using bank transfers with Monzo. Convenience. Bank transfers offer a convenient way to move money between accounts, especially when dealing with larger sums or international transactions. Security. Bank transfers are generally considered secure, and Monzo's security features provide an extra layer of protection. Flexibility. You can use bank transfers to send money to various accounts, including those at traditional banks and other digital banks. Alternatives to bank transfers. Monzo's other features. While bank transfers are a valuable option, Monzo also offers other features that might be suitable for your needs, such as instant transfers between Monzo users, virtual cards for online purchases, budgeting and spending tracking tools. Other digital banks. If you're looking for alternatives to Monzo, there are other digital banks that offer similar features and services, including Revolut, Starling Bank, and N26. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Monzo does accept bank transfers, making it a flexible and convenient option for managing your finances. Whether you're sending money to friends or family, paying bills, or receiving income, bank transfers offer a reliable way to do so. Call to action. If you're considering using Monzo or want to learn more about its features, be sure to check out their website or app. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. And, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.